You know, you love the idea of a tablet PC, but you hate the fact that you can't run all of your normal applications that you use on a day-to-day basis on them. It used to be that tablet PCs were kind of big, thick, hulking pieces of equipment, especially the ones that ran Windows. This is completely different. It's the ASUS Eee Slate, and it is a really, really impressive piece of hardware. It comes powered by an Intel Core i5 processor running at 1.3 gigahertz, 4 gigs of DDR3 RAM, a 64 gigabyte SSD, and a 12.1-inch multi-touch display running at a resolution of 1280 by 800. Now, the Eee Slate has an absolutely beautiful screen and a very, very responsive touch display that allows you to really, really easily navigate everything on board the computer. It also has a home button located right over here, which will automatically take you into the Windows task switcher, making it very, very easy to navigate through all of your open applications. It really, really is a gorgeous display on this thing. As you can see, it is extremely thin. It has a white plastic back, so you don't have to worry about getting all nicked up and marred with a glossy back. Along the top edge is where you're going to find your power switch, as well as a software button for launching your keyboard located right there, and a lock switch which will lock the rotation as well. Right here is the integrated stylus that will allow you to use this not only for navigation but also for the built-in handwriting recognition that's built into Windows 7 too. The ASUS Eee Slate also includes a wireless keyboard that you can take along with you in case you don't want to use the on-screen keyboard or the Windows 7 handwriting recognition. You can always use the full-size keyboard that comes along. And over on the other side, you're going to find a slot for your SD cards. You have an USB port located right here. That is a full-size USB port. In fact, you have a couple of those right here. You have your headphone port, HDMI, and your volume rocker right here. All of this in a very, very light Slate PC that has specs that easily best most netbooks out there. It isn't running on an Atom processor. It is running on a full Intel Core i5 processor. It's fast, it's snappy, and it's light and thin too. Really, really cool form factor. It's brand new from ASUS. It's the ASUS Eee Slate. To get more information on the ASUS Eee Slate, go to tigerdirect.com and search for A50-121116.